Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. And today we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out because we got the jeweler in the building with another bad creation. Now, the name of the watch face that we're going to review today is called Jeweler Clear Vision 4. Now, my man gets down on some analog watch faces. This one here is definitely no exception at all. And it is affordable in the Gear Manager store. Trust me on this one. Now, in AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look for the Gear 3. It's going to look exactly like the watch face when it's on, and that you pretty much want, especially if you're going to be dressing to impress. Now, the AOD mode for the Gear 2 is going to look different, but yet you'll get your digital time and your information at a glance with no problem. Now, once the watch face is on, the background is going to help with battery efficiency, considering that it is black, so that is a nice touch. Up at the top, you are going to get a moon phase. You're going to get your date up under that. You're also going to get the days of the week up under the date. It's going to be highlighted to let you know exactly what day of the week it is, which is cool. But I like the look of these analog hands. The screen premium all day long. And I like that we have a smooth second hand on this watch face instead of a ticking. I think it looks a lot better, especially for this particular watch face. Now, if you come down, you will get information on floors climb, your step information. As you can see, 20,000 steps, miles walked or ran. You're going to get your heart rate information. Again, your digital time is at the bottom, and how many weeks we are into the year is right up under that. Now, the watch face is interactive, right? So if I double tap at the top, I can pull up a menu, which I love that he did this. I wish a whole lot of other developers do this as well. It makes it really convenient. Instead of having to go to the application on your phone, you can go right here, double tap to get out of it. And let's check it out. Now, if I double tap right here, you can change the color theme of this watch face. It's nice, right? The look, the shade. Not bad at all, right? Now let me double tap over here, and I could also change the index. So I thought this was definitely a good look for this watch face. My man did a really good job with the design of this one. Also, you can change the color. Now, my hands are going to probably get in the way, but you can change the hands also, the color of them as well, to many different colors. I thought that was also nice. Also, if I double tap right here, I can change the color some more, which I thought looked really, really awesome. Now, what I really like about this watch face is this. If I double tap right here, I can change the look and the theme of this watch face, which I thought was really, really cool. What do you think, people? I thought my man did a really, really excellent job with this watch face, but at the end of the day, it is all about you. Hold on, one more thing. I didn't show you this one. If I single tap in the middle, I can go in and set my favorites, right? Now I get 3 areas in which I can do those. I can do it here, and I also can do it there, and there go your 3. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you wanna see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.